Hello, my name's Steve Purnell, and in this edition of Strategy from the Shed we're going to be talking about using generative AI to create buyer personas, whether that's a good idea, whether it's a bad idea, whether it helps or whether it gets in the way. So what I've done is done a few experiments on using ChatGPT to generate buyer personas. Just went in with a prompt of saying generate a buyer persona, for example, for a CMO for a cybersecurity business, and see what kind of results come back. And here you can see I've just taken those results and put them into a table so they're easier to read. And what it tells us is a few things. First of all, the good news. The good news is that it's quick, it's free pretty much, and the outcomes are kind of okay. But the problem is, if you think about what buyer personas are for, they're to rally the business around a focal point of a particular customer type. It's to create that degree of focus and therefore efficiency in your marketing activity. And it's also to bring those customer segments to life in the minds of the business. This generative AI generated buyer persona kind of does that okay, but that's all it is. It's just okay. It's kind of an intelligent average, if you like, of what a buyer persona like that would be. So my advice would be, my tip would be for this is treat that as a head start. So treat that as a cake that needs icing. And what I would do is to print off these buyer personas from generative AI, put them up on the wall, and then run a buyer persona workshop using them as an input. So gather together all the customer facing folks, the sales folks, the customer service folks, and say, okay, how can we build this buyer persona to be even more useful for us? So do an add, modify, discard, ice the cake, and create some more details, some more specifics, add more verbatums so they really bring to life your buyer personas using this as a start point. And if you want some tips on how to run a buyer persona workshop, I'll put a link down in the comments. We've got a whole ebook devoted to that. So I hope that's helpful. So yeah, you can use generative AI for buyer personas, but it's only a start. You need to ice the cake and make them more ownable and specific for your business to be useful. Cheers!